Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Mo Crypto. I'm Mo. It's been a little while. I haven't made a video, but figured it was time to get back in the saddle. So today I want to talk about Exodus. I have done a video about this in the past, but they've added some really fantastic updates to this. Not too long ago, if you look right here, I did a video on how to withdraw ERC tokens and store them in MetaMask, the Chrome extension. Now that's a great tool as well. Nothing against MetaMask, and I'm not exactly promoting Exodus, but I just want to show you guys some really nice features that they've added, and they're updating this all the time. Today is April 5th, and I believe they have another update scheduled for April 12th. And I imagine they'll probably be adding some new coins and new features. If you come over here to the Exodus website, hit download, and you're going to want to get the latest. Get that out of the way. Yeah, so if you're using Windows, Mac, Linux, whatever, um, you know, you go ahead and fire that up. Once you download it and install it, this is what the latest looks like. So welcome to Exodus, and right now I've only got a few coins listed, but you can, uh, and I have no money in here right now, but you can go to each individual wallet right here. You know, if I want to go to my Ethereum wallet, you can send or receive Ethereum. Hit receive, and you got your address. You got the scan code, the actual address here. You can copy it to the clipboard, paste it into an exchange or somewhere where you'd want to send it, or another wallet. But the greatest thing I want to show you about this right now is under the settings, you can add all these different coins, but at the bottom, we have Ethereum assets. And this is new to me. You open this up, and all of these are ERC20 tokens that you can now add, send and receive straight to the Exodus wallet that resides in your desktop. You don't have to use a Chrome extension or a browser like MetaMask. One issue I have with MetaMask is you got to use my Ethereum wallet to actually send the tokens. MetaMask just sort of holds them for you. You still retain your private key and all that stuff, so the security's there, but just the ease of using Exodus outweighs it, in my opinion. So yeah, you come down here, you can click on, any of these different tokens that you might want to create a wallet for. It's super easy. Click, click, click. Let's go ahead and add Storm, Archain, 10x. So all you do is click them. Then when you come back to portfolio, if you actually had assets in here, it would highlight, this wheel here and show you a different proportion to what token you have. It also shows you the USD equivalent to that token real time. Actually, if we come back to the web page, you can see just a quick snapshot of what that looks like. I just don't have any assets in this wallet currently, but yeah, so this is what it looks like. He's got a whole bunch of different tokens of the different value of these different coins at the bottom. So yeah, your portfolio here will show you exactly your total. The different colors represent the different coins, obviously. But that's just a nice visual representation. You go into the wallet itself, and like I said, you have your ERC20 coins. So PO, for example, is an ERC20 coin. It's a token. Hit receive. You're going to get your address here. You can copy it to your clipboard, paste it into an exchange, and actually withdraw your tokens. One other feature I like about Exodus is it does have its internal exchange. Say you have Bitcoin and you want to exchange it for, basic attention token. You click on the exchange button here, drop down the coin that you actually want to trade out for, and on the right you can select a coin that you want to receive. Right here you can say if you want to change all of them that you have, half of them. You can go ahead and type in a custom number that you want. Now if you hit the minimum, it'll show you the minimum amount that you can actually exchange. And I believe it uses Shapeshift as the exchange agent. So just be aware that there is a fee attached to this. And as you can see right here, if I'm changing $90.68 in Bitcoin to BAT, I'm only going to receive $85.68 in BAT. $5 might seem like a lot of money just to do an exchange to this other token. But keep in mind that if you wanted to do this the manual way, you would have to send the Bitcoin to an exchange, create a sale, either a make or a take sale, wait for it to happen, hope you get the price you want. It gets converted into BAT, and then you have to withdraw that BAT back to one of your desktop wallets or a hardware wallet like that. And there's going to be a fee associated with that as well. So there's going to be a transfer fee to send the token to the exchange. Then there's going to be probably a fee to do the transaction on the exchange. And then there's going to be a fee to withdraw your new coin back to a wallet. So is it comparable? You know, it might be. You have to actually go through and do the math for each of those steps. But the convenience is there, undeniably. So those are just a couple things I wanted to show you that Exodus has brought to the table. Now, the exchange was something that they had previously, but the greatest thing that they have that I think right now is the support for the ERC20 tokens. Just for that reason alone, I think I'm going to be using Exodus quite a bit more. And that's really all I had for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave them down below. And if you can think of anything else you'd like to see me do a video on, let me know as well, and I'll see if I can get down to that. Go ahead and subscribe and like this if it was any help to you. And I think on my next video, I'm going to talk about my personal mining setup that I have going on right now. And I think I'm going to talk a little bit about Raven coin. That seems to be the hottest coin to be mining. Tell me what you guys think. What are you mining now? What kind of wallets do you use for your ERC20 tokens? And I'll see you guys again next time.